In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most graceful, my dear students in grade 6, will come back to our syllabus in math. Open your box, please, page 54. 54, okay? Our lesson today is about reducing fractions. Reducing fractions. تقليل الكسور يا شباب. This is the last lesson, inshallah, in our syllabus this term, number 10. This is the last lesson in our syllabus in the second term. Okay? So follow me in exercise 1. He said use the Venn diagrams, these diagrams, okay, to record the factors of each number. عشان يا شباب نسجل العوامل المشتركة لكل رقم. العوامل لكل رقم, okay. Remember to put common factors, العوامل المشتركة, in the overlap here in this part, okay. Circle the highest common factor. ونضع دائرة على الرقم العامل المشترك الأكبر ما بينهم. So the factors of 24, عوامل رقم 24 يا شباب. What are they? We have, as we said before, if you would like to put them easily, you can start from 1 with the same number. So 24, it's about 1 multiplied by 24, and 2 multiplied by 12, and 3 multiplied by 8, and 6 multiplied by 4. And if we go quickly to the factors of 30, the same. We will start with 1 multiply by 30, 6 multiplied by 5, 3 multiplied by 10, and 2 multiplied by 15. So what are the common factors here between 24 and 30? You will find that the same numbers in this overlap here, 1 and 2 and 3 and 6. So what about the common or the highest common factor? العامل المشترك الأكبر here is number 6. Very good. So he said reduce 24 over 30, this number and this number, to its simplest form. Okay, so if we would like to put in the simplest form, we just divide by a number, the same number here and here. بنقسم يا شباب على نفس الرقم. Above and down, فوق وتحت في البسط والمقام يا شباب. Okay, so 24 divided by 6 equals 4, and 30 divided by 6 equals 5. So 4 over 5. As we said, we divide by the common factor. بنقسم يا شباب الرقمين على العامل المشترك الأكبر اللي بينهم. Good. So the simplest form is 4 over 5. 4 fifths. 4 أخماس. Very good. What about factors of 18 and factors of 45? The same. So 18, it will be 1 by 18 times 18. 3 times 6 and 9 times 2. And what about 45? The same. 1 times 45, 3 times 15, and 9 times 5. So the common factors here is 1 and 3 and 9. But the highest common factor is 9. Good. So we will divide, when we put the same numbers, 18 over 45, to the simplest form, we will divide over and down by what? The highest common factor, 9. So 18 divided by 9 is 2, and 45 divided by 9 is 5. So the simplest form is 2 over 5. Good. The next exercise, simplify يعني بسط each fraction in 1 or 2 steps. خطوة أو خطوتين يا شباب. So example, this is an example 1 and 2. We have some examples. If you do in 1 step or to do in 2 steps. Okay, it's very easy. So let's start to save time to our question. The first one, A, B, and C. So 9 over 36, we would like to put in the simplest form. As you said, we will divide by 9 and divide by 9 here and here. So 9 by 9 will be 1, and 36 by 9 will be 4. Excellent. So 9 over 36 will be a quarter. Excellent. What about number 2? 45 over 60. If you would like to put in the simplest form with me, you can ask yourself, what is the highest common factor here to be divided by? Excellent. Is 5. Very good. So 45 by 5 equals 9, and 60 by 5 equals 12. And now another number, 9 over 12, by what? By 3. So 9 divided by 3 equals 3, and 12 by 3 equals 4. So the simplest form is, in the final, is 3 quarters. Very good. The last one, 24 over 60. What the common factor here to be divided by? 24 divided by 6 equals 4, and 60 by 6 equals 10. So over 10. Another step, divide also by 2, it will be 2 over 5. What about the next exercise? He would like here to complete 49 by 70 over 70. We will divide by 7, the highest common factor. 49 by 7 equals 7, and 70 by 7 equals 10. Very good. And 72 we will divide over 80. The highest common factor here is 8, so 72 by 8 equals 9, and 80 by 8 equals 10, so it will be 9 over 10. 68 over 84 we will divide also by 4, so it will be 17, and 84 by 4 it will be 21. So the simplest form is 17 over 21. Very good. And now he would like to draw lines to match each fraction to its simplest form. Okay, so here, yes, 36 over 45, if you go, you will find, as I mentioned here to save time, over 4 over 5. 48, 9 over 96, if we divide, we will divide by 48, so it will be 1 over 2. 12 over 48, if we divide also by 12, we will find 1 over 4. And here, 56 over 80. If we divide by 8, it will be 7 over 10. 30 over 75. If we divide by 15, it will be 2 over 5. And the last one, 27 over 36. If we divide by 9, we will find 3 over 10. The last exercise in our lesson, he said, write each fraction in its simplest form, then solve the addition. Write the answer as a mixed number. هنبسط الأول يا شباب كل كسر أبسط الصورة ثم نجمعهم على بعض. And in the end we will find, as we said before, an improper fraction and to change into a mixed number. Okay, it's very easy. So here in the example, he put in the simplest form by 9 and by 9 it's 5 over 7, and here divide by 8 and 8 it's 4 over 7, and here divide by 7 it's 6 over 7. When we add, we will find 5 plus 4 9 plus 6 equals 15 over 7. When we divide 15 over 7, we will have a mixed number is 2 and 1 over 7. When we multiply again 7 by 2, it equals 14 plus 1, 15 over 7. The last question, we will do the same. 27 over 72, when we divide by 9, it will be 3 over 8. And here 25 over 40, if we divide by 5, we will find 5 over 8. And here 49 over 56, we will divide by 5, we will find, we will divide by 7, So it will be 7 over 8. When we add all of these fractions, we will find 3 plus 5 equals 8 plus 5 equals 15 over 8. So when we divide 15 over 8, we will have 1 and 7 over 8. If we multiply again to check, 8 times 1 equals 8 plus 7 equals 15 over 8. That's enough for our lesson today. The last exercise is cancelled. We went to the end of our term. Thank you very much for watching and listening. Till we meet again, inshallah, next year in Prep 1 or Intermediate 1. I hope all of you good luck and goodbye.